do?
Peanut butter.
What kind of peanut butter?
Yummy. Maybe. Taste testing.
Why are we doing this?
Because my mom watches YouTube and wanted to do it.
But your mom doesn't even like peanut butter. Why would we do something like that?
Because she's dumb.
Oh, well, we don't have to.
Oh, I want to. I like peanut butter.
Oh, okay. There we go. Do you just like it?
I love peanut butter.
You love peanut
But I don't know which one I love the most.
So,
I might not even like some of them.
what are we trying?
Kraft, No Name, Jif, Adams. Something else organic, maybe.
Are you ready for this?
No.